Why is that? Hold on, go again. How much pepper?
Drink coffee tea. Mango time. Hear how nice it may be. Mango time. At the height of the mango crop, when the fruit them are ripe and drop, wash up and turn them down.
Would the mango taste nice?
We go mango walk. Mango time. Mango time. For it's only talk. Mango time. Stand by them and here is skin. At the back and around them in. Make the best solid crop. Mango time.
You found another one? Wow.
Let me smell it.
The wind just a blow off the whole of the mango them. That one green, baby.
Oh.
Mm-mm.
I put it in that way. Yeah.
Morning neighbors, how you doing today? What's good in the neighborhood? What's good in the neighborhood? So, I know you want to see what I'm looking at. Right here, I got this from my neighbor's tree yesterday. Take a look. I'm going to give 10 points to the neighbor who can correctly identify these mangoes. What is the name of this variety of mango? To me, it looked like almost like it have some jewelry element in there because of how not round perfectly it is. It's kind of, you know, but it's not jewelry. It's small. Let me know what variety you think this is. My neighbor told me a name, but I honestly not so 100 about it. But man, them nice. So of course, after getting such lovely mangoes yesterday, the only natural thing for me to do is to come outside and check out all the right mangoes on the tree where we live, right? I'm going to sit down for this one because I'm under the tree now and it's been a while since I've been seeing the promise of fruit coming forth. You know, I feel the preacher coming on. I feel a message coming on. We've been green for too long, guys. We've been green with potential for too long. You listen to me, you know who you are. You know who you are. But we need the ripening. We need to see the fruit coming forth. And as I speak to you, I speak to the tree. All the trees in reach of my voice. No, and I'm serious now. This tree has been, the tree is loaded with mangoes, but loaded with green mangoes. But let's look on the bright side. When it starts bare, it will all bear at once. And so we have mango to share for everybody in the neighborhood, right? But that's the message for today. Convert your potential into reality, into something tangible. Don't just sit on your talents, don't just sit on your promise and your potential. Execute. As I see somebody saying recently, ignore the noise, execute. Focus, execute. You need to be ripened now, man, and bear fruit, right? So maybe next week or so we can get some fruit from this mango tree. But remember a couple weeks ago, I think it was a week and a half ago, I told you about the yummy Easter bun. which is really good. And I told you about work that normally does a bun order around Easter time with some nice, you know, sorrel or some unusual ingredients. It's that time again, and I'm going to share with you this important decision because I'm going to ask the missus what her thoughts are. There are some new flavors, right? And I'm not so sure if I must risk it, but here is out. Just why are you in the kitchen? Get out. Mrs. Reed, so bun order came. Well, I need to put in my bun order.
Woohoo! It's
There you
that
go.
time of year.
Rosemary,
I do
thyme, garlic.
some herbs for
And Kit Kat.
I roasted some chicken. I
I
can't
love
bother,
this.
I'm tired. I just split the chicken like 2 and I just fling it in the oven.
Nothing wrong
I'm
with
so
that.
tired.
So I was telling you
Hello,
about
why you
the
move my
buns.
Kit Kats?
Alright, let's
I have
put
to
this
be I have to be keeping it close in a little
Leila have
eyes
her-
on it.
But the bun order came, right? So, you know the usual, original, peanuts, apple.
Yeah,
I think
we've
this
done
I
that
think this one
before.
is new, whole wheat and oats. I don't know, I don't think I've heard that one before, but
Sorry.
yeah.
I'm not into a health.
Sorrel. You can't have a healthy bun, right?
Sorry. I'm
We've
very
done sorrel
Christmassy.
before.
We've done sorrel?
Yeah. I think so. But here the new flavors. June plum,
June plum. Ooh.
mango,
Mango. I can see mango. June plum. Okay.
and the bonus one, jackfruit.
Jackfruit! Oh my gosh, you know me love a jackfruit, but I don't know
Jackfruit
about the
in
bun
bun.
though.
There's
That
a
sounds extra sweet.
there's a premium that is
But they normally have the fruits are dried, right? It's not like
yeah, the fruits are dried, not wetty.
wetty fruits or raw fruits.
Right.
Dried, sweetened, preserved
So
fruits.
this is the list. Original, peanut, apple, whole wheat, sorrel, premium, June plum, mango, and jackfruit. So the premium
Yeah.
would have, as far as I know, every single thing in there.
I think we've done premium
Yeah, and
a
it's been
couple
good.
times. Yeah, listen, we don't go wrong with the premium.
Just go
I
all out.
just go straight premium.
All right, so decision made,
You hear that?
premium.
You hear that?
And of course, Leila, what you want, Leila?
Chocolate.
You want chocolate? Where is the chocolate? You want chocolate too?
So,
And
Look
just like
here.
that, the Kit Kat.
I hope you did buy a chocolate for them, you know.
No, I get it at the shop for them. You want want us to go to the shop and get chocolate?
Yes.
Okay, so this is mommy's chocolate, okay?
Mommy's chocolate, courtesy of daddy. Thank you, darling.
Yes.
By the way.
I want bread.
We
I
can
feel
get the chocolate
I feel
for you.
you can carry all the children. I feel like I want just like
I want bread.
20 minutes of sleep. I don't know if it's the breeze outside, but yeah, I feel like them a pulp out. Actually,
Pop the glasses.
this no man, it's the sinus. I'll run on the back of my head here, so
Really?
it hurt me. Yeah, sinus pain.
Alright,
Man.
I'll take everybody later.
I want
I just want to lie down. I just want
like that.
to do this season
Back bread
and
like
go lie
that.
down.
So we got, for people who don't want the premium, I just got some yummy Easter bun again. So I know Eden loves the yummy Easter bun. I don't know if they'll be.
I'm not a big
inclined.
fan of the yummy.
You don't like it,
No, not such a big fan.
So when we buy it, I thought you liked it.
Me never make you buy nothing, Bridget.
So which
you
one
never
which one you
tell me
prefer?
say you're gonna buy it, and me never put it on the
But the last time you never
supermarket
said
list.
nothing that when I buy it.
I tell you, it was a tad dry.
So which one you prefer?
Well, I think my favorite is probably Prestige or Purity. Look here, the one
Wrong
where you know,
answer.
the one that you get every year is my favorite.
Oh,
From
work.
your office.
Okay.
That's my favorite.
Anyway, yummy. I rate you. Next time we're going to buy Prestige or what you say?
Purity?
Purity.
What are you doing?
Look what I catch. Quietly eating. She quietly pull the fridge now. Quiet put the fridge. I've been standing there for the past
Oh, wait there. Let me understand.
30 seconds.
Is it mine?
Quietly, she wait until Leila and Zahra gone round
We
to
are
the
loading
TV.
up for them. We are loading up
Them don't know
some.
what naughty. What you have to say for yourself?
I'm
I said, give you a break.
I'm not giving you anything.
Give you a break.
Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar.
Alright, man. Alright, so here's the thing. So many mangoes are being blown off the tree. We're deciding that we won't let them go to waste. So I'm going to make some mango chutney. Some mango chutney, which is an Indian condiment thing that I can eat with food. I've had it before, never made it before. But what's the worst that could happen, right? So we're not going to let the mangoes waste or go to waste. So I'm going to go and get mango chutney started. First I'll need some mangoes.
Mommy, how you make green mango chutney? The one with the one where you grate or blend up the green mango and you eat it raw, you know, cook it. You blend up with what?
Garlic and pepper.
Garlic and scotch bonnet? What else you put in there?
But I like the thing the mango you don't use.
Wow. The hairy mango?
Yeah.
But the East Indian them, the breeze blow off the East Indian them off of the tree one whole heap. So I don't want it to go to waste.
When? Since evening?
No, yesterday.
Oh, you really can use them.
So how much? So like, let's say you have four mango. How much garlic? How much peg of garlic you use?
No, it depends. 3 or 4 peg of garlic.
3 or 4 peg. And what else you put in there? Salt and scotch bonnets. Well, to taste, I guess. And that's it. That's it. You know, put no vinegar or lime juice, nothing in there.
We don't know me just call Monica.
Everybody is saying to call Monica. I forgot to call Monica and see.
Alright, so I came out here to get the mangoes, as I told you. We already have some green mangoes in the green East Indian mangoes inside that we took off of the ground that fell, but now I'm hearing that it's hair mangoes. How true is that?
Your hair mango is a better one to use, they're saying, I guess, because it's, I don't know if it's because it's more fibrous or if it's because it's more tangy when it's young. I'm not sure, but those East Indians are not going to waste, right? So I've been told, I did think about it, to call my cousin Monica, who seems to be the guardian and the keeper of the family recipes.
The secret family recipe.
The secret family recipes. So I am going to see if I can give my cousin a call.
You know the problem I have with Jamaicans though? Them just say, add this, do this. There's no quantity.
Right, there is no standard.
I have no idea how much.
Dash of this.
How much mango? How much this? How much
Little
that?
of this.
How much water must use to blend it? Cause I don't have a clue. So I need proper instructions, or else it's going to be a disaster. Alright, so we're going to call the guru, Miss Monica, now. And I bring my notebook. Cause nothing gonna miss me. I'm a good student now. Let's go. What I heading up to? Mango.
Green mango chutney.
These are names. Okay, yeah.
So. The dog. Yeah, Monica. All right. Right.
Alright, you bought a little big mango them.
Which brand?
Paul is here.
You should about 3 or 8 and cut them up.
Piece in there.
Dice them up.
Yeah.
And you put it in the blender and blend it, get the water, like don't use no water, you know.
Okay.
Oh, no water.
Not really because the pepper have the water and the mango have the water.
Uh-huh.
Scallion and the garlic.
Alright, about how much scallion and how much garlic?
Alright. Don't use fully one head of garlic, use half of the garlic.
Half a head. Mm-hmm.
It is a dozen pepper, because if you make too much, it's going to spoil on you.
What you say? Hold on, go again. How much pepper?
Okay. Okay, sorry.
How much pepper?
Okay.
Yeah, 3 mango.
Yeah.
Bend it up until it watery.
Big mango, them are you dice them green.
Yeah, green. Then I
Okay,
turn.
alright, yes. You dice them up.
Mm-hmm.
You put it in the blender to blend.
Right.
You kind of spring them on water when you blend it, you know.
Mm-hmm.
All you pepper them too, because you want it hot. Don't you see that? Because you know you love hotness.
How much pepper?
Yeah, but you should just say 1 dozen pepper, babe.
Yes.
Paul start sweat already, Monica.
Because it's not hot, it's not nice, you know.
Yeah, a little top side you eat at a time, you know. You know, eat no whole heap at a time.
Right. So when you blend the
Yeah,
pepper,
God.
the
Right, just salmon
the
water.
mango, the pepper, the scallion and the garlic together, you're going to see it come out pure, right, you know?
Yeah.
Alright. When you throw it out in the dish now, you add salt and oil.
Salt.
Nothing more.
Salt and a little oil.
Oil, yes, oil. If the oil will keep it, so you will put
Right.
enough oil in it. And the salt is to your taste.
All
And if you
right.
feel like you want more pepper, you can add more pepper to it.
Well,
But the advice for just use your meat tell for just the next time now, you will know to do it now.
So the original recipe now called for cilantro.
Yes, no, normally when Granny used to have the cilantro, we used to use, but if we don't have it, we just do it. The black meat, it gives it a nice flavor and taste.
Right.
That is it. And the cilantro give it to you too.
Nice. So what you do, you use either the cilantro or the black mint?
Yes, and you can use both of them.
Okay.
Use both of them if you have it. And you blend everything together, but blend them little bit, then get water.
Alright, so we already have 1. No, that's feel like it's spoiled. 2. It's feel kind of softish, you know. 3 green mangoes, right? We'll have the mangoes, going to check for the 12 pepper. You can imagine 12 pepper. Going to check for the 12 pepper. So keep the peppers in the freezer, but we only have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on a piece. Yes, neighbor, so we're going to show you how we do it, you know, but we never got a chance because we don't have all the ingredients.
Yeah.
But
And we don't want to do it and not do it the right way, because the recipe that we get is my grandmother's recipe that has been passed down to my cousin Monica, who, as we said before, is kind of like the keeper of recipes. So we want to make sure we do right by Monica. We don't want the foolishness. So we want to assemble the proper ingredients and then execute the thing right.
Right, and off camera we found that we cannot use pepper from the freezer.
Yes.
It has to be fresh.
Because it's gonna be too watery.
Right, so fresh green mangoes, fresh peppers, and then allow the ingredients to create its own moisture and water. Don't add anything. So let's
Just spring it on water.
Yeah.
That's what you say.
Oh, so that's the term.
Yeah.
But I want you to try it because we are going to try it. By we I mean most likely me. But if Tina
I'll
is
be there, man.
okay.
I'll be there.
Cause she needs to let it pass to her. If you go from your grandmother to Monica,
Well,
you
it's
need to
our
go to-
family. It's,
Yeah, but you
know.
need to have it too.
Yes.
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 So that's it from us for today. There's a lot of racket in the background from the children.
Is there ever
There's no
never
quiet time.
quiet?
Unless they're
Is
sleeping.
there ever quiet time? Is there ever not a
Unless
racket?
they're sleeping. But I hope you had a great weekend. And I hope you have a lovely week.
Yeah.
And I hope that something surprised you, something nice, a pleasant surprise reaches you this week. So until then, see you soon and love you. Bye.